Welcome back to the channel. So you're watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI and online tools easy to understand. So if you have been looking for a simple way to create a Trust Wallet account but you don't know where to begin, then you are in the right place. In today's videos, I will show you the entire process from start to finish, even if you have never used a cryptocurrency wallet before. Do not worry, because I will explain everything step by step in the easiest way possible. And by the end of this video, you know how to download Trust Wallet, create your wallet, secure it properly, and understand the basics of what you are seeing on your screen. And one more important before we begin, this video is for educational purpose only. I'm showing you how to use this app safely. I'm not giving financial investment advice. Now let's get started. So before we create, let me quickly explain what Trust Wallet actually is. Trust Wallet is a digital cryptocurrency wallet. Instead of storing physical money, it allows you to store digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a banking app, but instead of a banker controlling your account, you are the one in control. That also means you are responsible for keeping your wallet secure. Now, let's download the apps. If you want to download the app, I already have the app, so I don't need to download it. I want to show you how you can download the app. So first you're going to do is you go to, if you're using an Android phone, you open your Google Play Store or the App Store if you are using an iPhone. So for example, I don't have the app, what I'm going to do is to head to Play Store. Then after heading to Play Store, I'm going to search Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. Then I'm going to click on the search button, right? Now you are going to see a lot of cryptocurrency stocks, but this is the Trust Wallet. You can see it's Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallets. This is the app, and make sure you are downloading the official Trust Wallet, which I'm showing you. You should check the name and the developer carefully to avoid fake versions, because there might be fake versions. So once it's confirmed, all you have to do is just download the app. Or like I already told you, I already have the app, so I don't need to download this. I'm just showing you how to do it. And like I said, if you're using an iPhone, you can download it on your App Store, which is very important. Now, the next thing to do is open the app. Like I told you, I already have the app before, so I'm going to open it now. Now, if like I just downloaded the Trust Wallet app, you are going to see a welcome screen. Something like when you open the Trust Wallet for the first time, you will see the welcome screen. And you are going to, if you are new, you select the option to create a new wallet, right? If you already have an existing wallet, you will choose the option to import it instead. But since we are creating a brand new wallet, let's continue with create wallet. So let me show you what I just said right now. Now, this is add wallet, right? So if like I already have an existing wallet, I'm going to tap on add existing wallet. But since we are creating a brand new wallet, I'm going to create new wallet. That's what I'm going to do. Now, you can see, brilliant, your wallet is ready. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on backup now, which is manual, right? I'm going to click backup manually. So this secret phrase unlock your wallet. This is just the security part. This is the security part. This secret phrase unlocks your wallet. This is the most important part of the entire setup. Trust Wallet will generate a recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase. This is usually a list of words. These words are the master key to your wallet. So if your phone is lost, stolen, or damaged, this recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet and access your phone. So never share these words with anyone. Trust Wallet will never ask for them. No legitimate support team will ask for them. Anyone who gets this word can access your wallet and steal your cryptocurrency. So everything is just for security reason. So that is just it. So now you can see two options. Trust wallets do not have access to this key, like I already said. Do not save this in any digital format. Write it on paper and store securely. Do not even take a screenshot. Do not even save it to your phone's gallery. This safest option is to write it on paper like I just told you and keep it somewhere secure. So you're going to tap on it and then press on continue. So like I told you, these are the recovery phrase. These are the recovery phrase. So you just have to write it on paper. Now I'm going to write it on paper now so that I can know the recovery secret phrase. Trust Wallet has already asked for me to confirm the recovery phrase that's already written in my paper. So for the 1 is orbit. For number 4 is quarter. And for number 7 is fall. While for number 10 is napkin. Immediately I'm done creating this Trust Wallet account, so I'm going to delete it. The reason I'm deleting it is because I'm just using it as a tutorial. I don't need it, so I'm just using it as a tutorial. I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to press confirm. I'm going to confirm it to let Trust Wallet know that I already gotten the recovery phase. Then I'll tap on confirm. Now, these steps make sure you have backed up your wallets correctly. So, and I already tapped done. So it shows that my Trust Wallet has been created successfully. And that is all. So what you can do now is from here you can receive cryptocurrency. You can receive cryptocurrency from here. If you want to receive cryptocurrency in Bitcoin, this is you can see your Bitcoin wallet. In case you want to receive, if you want to receive your Ethereum, you can see your Ethereum wallet. So you can send this cryptocurrency, swap, supported token, and explore other features available in the app. So securing your wallet. So I'm going to click on it now. Then I'm going to click on the setting. So before you do anything else, let's add another layer of security. Now that I've already opened the setting sections, all you have to do is look for security. Then enable passcode or biometric or authentication for phone supports fingerprint or face lock. Then you are going to add it. Whatever you wish to add, you can put on biometric. My phone supports biometrics and it also supports passcode. So I'm just going to add which one I wish to use. This helps protect your wallet in case if someone gets access to your phone, they won't be able to log into it, and that brings the end of it. So you have successfully created your Trust Wallet and learn the basic security steps you should always follow. Remember, your recovery phrase is the most important part of your wallet. Never share it with anyone and always keep it in a safe place. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss future tutorials on Trust Wallets, cryptocurrency basics and other tech gadgets. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. AI Made Simple.